Welcome to this session on artificial intelligence and machine learning. Today, in this session, we will learn about the introduction to machine learning. Why do we need machine learning and what actually machine learning is? If you haven't watched my earlier session, I've already talked about artificial intelligence, the need for artificial intelligence, and the growth in demand for artificial intelligence. You can watch the previous videos in the playlist. I will put a link to these videos in the I button. Now, let us begin. What is machine learning? Machine learning is used in artificial intelligence. It is a method through which we can feed a lot of data to the machine and make it learn. So, let us begin on why do we actually need machine learning in the first place. Before we learn anything, we should keep in our mind why do we need that particular product. The need for machine learning began since the technical revolution itself. Since technology became the central thing, we have been generating an immeasurable amount of data. As per research, we generate 2.5 quintillion bytes of data every single day, and it is estimated that by the end of the year 2020, 1.7 MB of data will be created every second for every person on earth. We have been generating data at an immeasurable pace. Now everything that we do, from Google search to YouTube search to uploading videos on YouTube to downloading videos on YouTube, each and every task is generating a lot of data. A few reasons why machine learning is so important is increase in data generation, improve decision making, uncover patterns and trends in data, and solve complex problems. Now, let us understand each of these points one by one. First, let us look at what increase in data generation is. Due to excessive production of data, we need to find a method that can be used to structure, analyze, and draw useful insights from this data. This is where machine learning comes into play. It is used to solve problems and find solutions to the most complex tasks faced by an organization. We can draw insights and we can draw a lot of information from the data that we collect, like by looking at your search history. YouTube can make recommendations for you and hence keep you more and more attracted towards those videos. What improving this decision making means? By making use of various algorithms, machine learning can be used to make better business decisions. For example, machine learning is used for sales, predict any downfalls in stock market, or identify any sort of risk and anomalies. Now, share market companies also use machine learning to decide which stock would go up the other day and which stock will come down. Uncover patterns and trends in data. Finding hidden patterns and extracting key insights from data is the most important part of machine learning. So by building predictive models and using statistical technique, machine learning allows us to be beneath the surface and expose the data at a minute scale. Solve complex problems, from detecting the genes linked to the deadly COVID-19 disease to building self-driving car. Machine learning can be used to solve the most complex problem. For example, at present we have found a way to spot stars which are 2400 light years away from our planet. This is possible through artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, etc. So it has become an important part of our life and we must learn it in great details. Now, before we go deep inside, first let us understand what is machine learning. Machine learning was first coined by Sir Arthur Samuel in the year 1959, which is just 3 years from when artificial intelligence was coined. Looking back, that year was the most significant year in terms of technological advancement because most of the technologies today are based on the concept of machine learning. Most of the AI technology itself are based on the concept of machine learning and deep learning. A computer program is said to learn from experience E with respect to some class of task T and performance measure P if its performance at task in T as measured by P improves with some experience E. Now, this seems to be very complicated. Let's understand what this simply means. Simply, this means machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, which provides machine the ability to learn automatically and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. Note, In order to do so, machines are very similar to human. If we feed a machine with a good amount of data, it will learn how to interpret, process and analyze this data by using machine learning algorithm, and it will use it to solve real world problem. Hence machine learning are very popular nowadays since we are generating lots and lots and lots of data. I hope you like this particular session on artificial intelligence and machine learning. We have a lot more videos coming up on this vast topic so that you can understand it from the very basics to the most advanced level. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my videos and give your valuable feedback so that I can improve further. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay safe. Goodbye. Of